Hey, Leslie. How you doing? Hey, little. How you doing?
We're ready!
We're waiting on Grandma.
Wait a minute. It's
2:41 on February the 18th. There's Bud, excited as a mug.
Hey, buddy.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Ready.
Sit up so I can get a good picture of you.
Smile pretty.
Now can we get our...
Oh my Lord. What a face. Oh.
Y'all ready?
Ready!
Lydia, are you ready? I can't hear you. The green bag is Lydia's? Nope, this one is Lydia's. From Grandma. What do you say?
Thank you! Get my crystals right! Beat ya.
What is it, little?
Thanks, everybody. Mom, what if these are nice and tight? These are diamond. Just dance.
What is it, Leslie?
Right on the top, too.
Leslie, what do you have, Mama?
What do you think it is?
What do you think it is?
I think it's
What is it?
I think it's it.
Let me see what it is.
Oh, cute.
Oh, that's...
Of course, the phone rings.
Cool.
What is